Hi, I'm Gina, your gemologist. Today we're going to talk about all the items in your jewelry box that you're not wearing and how you can turn those items into cash. So we have here a collection for today that we're going to be melting. And what I have are many rings, bracelets, earrings, typically items that you would find in your jewelry box from maybe a decade ago that you're not wearing. Rings, pieces that are you're tired of, and you're looking at getting items, buying new things that are more contemporary. And so why not turn them into cash? So those are the items that will be going to the melt today. And I just want to kind of show you a little idea of what those items are, but we'll go ahead and look at those a little bit later as we get to the melt. About all the sterling silver, rings, and jewelry that are sitting inside of your jewelry boxes. Now, I'm an online seller, and I give it a shot. I go online and I see what we can sell and give to the public a little bit over scrap that would have to cover my time, my expenses, and the online fees. But guess what? By the time you put these items online, by the time you pay the online fees, by the time you look at what the melt is, it certainly is not worth your time and your effort. In a lot of situations, you get lucky and you can sell items. Yes, I'm a proponent of selling online, but at some point you've got to take the merchandise, turn it into gold or silver market prices because they are going up. And what I care about is you. What I care about is the best situation for you in the moment. A lot of my clients come in. I'm totally a proponent of you putting it online and giving it a shot. But you have to have the reality that those fees and the amount of jewelry that is online, the public is going to come in. They're going to offer you lower prices than what you're listing. And then you have to look at your marketing price that you're selling it for. And I always encourage advertising. Then you have an advertising fee. Did you know that eBay, you could be paying up to 30% after you do the listing fee, after you do the advertising? It's phenomenal. By the time you sell your items, they are lower than your melt price. So don't waste your time. A lot of the time, don't waste your time. Take selective pieces, try to put them online, and the rest of it, just melt it.